certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, I think file. No. How I can allow you? No. No. You are mentioning it.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं विशाल यादव। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की डर्टी पॉलिटिक्स राहुल गांधी ने संसद में खोल दी। राहुल गांधी ने एप्स्टीन फाइल का बहुत जोरदार खुलासा संसद में कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से भाजपा के सांसद बिलबिला उठे। दोस्तों, ये वीडियो हम सभी लोगों को जरूर देखनी चाहिए, जहां पर राहुल गांधी ने साफ तौर पर कह दिया कि एप्स्टीन फाइल में हरदीप पुरी और अनिल अंबानी के भी नाम हैं और भाजपा उन्हें बचाने की कोशिश कर रही है, क्योंकि अगर अनिल अंबानी को जेल भेजा गया या फिर हरदीप पुरी को जेल भेजा गया तो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को भी जेल जाना पड़ेगा। इसीलिए एप्स्टीन फाइल में भारत के जो तमाम दिग्गजों के नाम हैं उन्हें भाजपा बचा रही है। इसीलिए अभी तक उन लोगों पर कार्रवाई नहीं हुई, नहीं तो वो लोग जेल चले जाते। इसीलिए वो लोग जेल नहीं जा रहे, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की जिंदगी मुश्किल में पड़ जाएगी। इसीलिए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी न सिर्फ खुद का बचाव कर रहे हैं बल्कि अपना बचाव कर रहे हैं। दोस्तों, संसद में गदर मच गया है। मैं आपको सीधे संसद से जोड़ने जा रहा हूं, जहां पर संसद में राहुल गांधी ने गदर ढा दिया। बीजेपी सांसद बौखला उठे, बीजेपी सांसद कहीं न कहीं लड़ाई झगड़े पर उतर आए और यहां तक कि सभापति महोदय हाथ तक जोड़ने लगे। तो आप सभी लोग संसद की ये वीडियो जरूर देखिए।
प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोगों ने बार-बार कहा
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर, पूरा सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस विदाउट एनी रीजन, विदाउट एनी बैकिंग ऑफ सब्सटेंस, विदाउट एनी प्रूफ, you are just making any wild allegation.
I'll give you a reason.
That will diminish your own position.
I'll give you a reason. I'll give you a reason.
Of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
we are here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are here to listen, but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी चाहे।
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
and
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
हरदीप पुरी है सर,
रानी हो,
हरदीप पुरी is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए। ए मेंबर while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for please use offensive expressions about the conduct of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a subject. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें। Point out किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी,
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office, authority, unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्हें प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया, has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए।
ठीक,
It is completely against the rule.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए। उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ। आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have leveled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए. नहीं ऐसे देखो. नहीं. Whatever Rahul has made allegation, that will not go on the record. And now you can speak.
1 minute,
No.
sir. Sir, 1
You
minute.
have made allegation.
Yes,
You have made
I agree,
allegation
sir.
that
Sir,
will not go on the
Rahul.
record. This is mine.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I'm reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister. 2 former Prime Minister. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable
That
to
point of time?
everybody, not only
Where
for
was-
him, not only for him.
Where was
That
it?
will be applicable. Please come with it. That is applicable for to him. Please, Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain his, whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, I take file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning it. How, if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे.
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
I
Speaker,
think
sir.
Why you are just
Speaker sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है. ना ये भी कार्रवाई हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Didi. Selja is also for
Speaker sir,
and
you know
this
we
is
have
absolutely-
you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
You are an
Speaker
ex-member of
has
our
made it.
party.
Absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
You are a member of our party, sir.
अच्छा,
Ex-member.
Ex-member, no? But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We
here
like
as a
you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we
मानते
know
हैं-
your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We know
बात
your
मान-
heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते. आप अगर if you are sitting there, तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. You should move